Out there, somewhere in the world, there are you guys who, like me, are experiencing the quarantine because of the fucking COVID-19. Well, let's shake all this silence. Okay guys, let's put it very simple. I am in quarantine, you are in quarantine, this virus is around us, but luckily we have this great hobby. So I like to spend time with some easy project like this one. The first step is always the same. We need to take some pieces, some scrap, some bits that we have in our storage and found something that can inspire us and can be used for going on in the project. I found these pipes from the Terrain Crates industrial pieces by Mantic, and I combined some straws, some beads, some, these pipes are also very cheap from some, I don't know if I found them on Amazon or some, dollar store, I don't know, but yeah, they are very cheap. I think a couple of bucks for an entire set of these pipes. Sanding them before everything else is quite wise, because you can improve the power of the primer later. Yeah, the first moment was quite a mess. I just wondering how I can create a bridge, and yeah, this was the result. No project at all, just fantasy and improvisation. Then I realized that I needed a base, so I cut some, chipboard pieces, and I simulate some plates in metal, like that. Other bits, you see also that big pipe is also from Terrain Crates, and the problem is just how to put everything together. I needed a bridge, I needed a catwalk for tactical reason, not only for aesthetics. So I use these filters. Those are aquarium filters. You can find them on internet. They are very cheap and they are modular, so you can combine them in several ways. Here is how I used a couple of them, half of them actually, for create my catwalks. Then I had some pieces of chipboard because of the distance was not planned, so as you can see I improvise here a lot. In my opinion, this is the kind of project that need to be finished in one day, so I do these projects when I want to have some fun, when I need to relax, without plan, without projects, just cut and glue, glue, cut, see if you like it, then redo, and then recut, and so on. A rapid way to create ladders is to use this metal net. I use some pieces of chipboard cut it very straight for simulate some plates, and I hide some, not beautiful spots, let's say like that. This is a support for the electric tubes. I used it as a base for these beats that are actually monitors, PC monitors, and then I reused the cutted piece for finish it up like that. Quite effective, yes. A bit of a glue and voila, another piece is done. Then I realized that I needed another PC, another computer, so I have one in bits of Mantic crates, a piece of cardboard, piece of chipboard for put it in place as a metal place like that. Yeah, easy peasy Japanese. Little hot glue when needed. Yeah, I like these projects, guys. They are very funny, especially when you are not using foam. At some level, it's easier because, yeah, you have already pieces that just need to be put together in the right way. And that was the result, pretty much. Yeah, full of tactical places and positioning. I use the, Y-lock method for create some liquid contaminating and exiting from the pipe, from the broken pipe. You just wait for the hot glue to cool down a little bit, then you add more layers, more bits of glue like that. Nice. Another drop and that's it. I like it very much. I use this surface primer for metal and plastic by Vallejo. This is great because actually it's not just great for plastic and metal, but has also a little bit of texture on it. You can see now in these pictures. It's great because the grip for the paint job is great, and also it's better like that. Now, paint job is quite simple, but I'm using a lot of shades of brown for do that. I started with a dark brown, then a medium brown, then I have dark earth brown. I used also a mahogany brown, and at the end I'm using this light brown. Then with some metallic colors I'm shading a little bit. I'm using the silver metal color for all the metal parts, and yeah, basically it was like that, very simple, very easy. Those are industrial bits and signs that I like to put here and there for embellish the piece without, spend too much time for painting it. You can also draw lines and paint the yellow and the black lines, but like that it's much simpler. And as I told you, this is a project I want to finish in one day of working, so that was my point. Restricted area here, biohazard there. Here I attach a piece of paper on the chipboard for have actually a tough piece to attach with some super glue. Yeah, with my scrappy little brush I'm designing some writings here and there on the PC, laptop and screens. Now, for aging this piece, I'm experimenting something new. This is a wood primer. It's a mahogany wood primer. It's quite reddish, as you can see. Yeah, I'm not totally satisfied because it's very dense. It's very difficult to dose. But actually, I have a lot of this stuff, so at the end was a nice use of that. For this leaking of liquid I'm using some interior green, then some white, then again some green outside, and yeah, with the wooden primer I'm finish it up all around. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a piece that I like very much. Not only for aesthetic, but also for tactical use on the playground. You have elevated praise for taking advantage with your, you know, kill team or stuff like that. A lot of little pieces and bits for, you know, make interesting your story. And this is the third one of my dystopian industrial terrain pieces. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'll see you all on the next episode. Ciao!